You are accidentally accelerating aging every morning without realizing it right now. And the worst part is, it looks exactly like a healthy habit. You stop eating, believing your body finally gets time to repair itself. But something far more powerful quietly activates beneath the surface inside you. Imagine a hidden cleaning crew moving through your body right now silently. They remove damaged proteins, recycle broken cells, and clear years of buildup. This process is called autophagy, your body's natural anti-aging system. It is one of the most powerful longevity mechanisms discovered by modern science, and intermittent fasting is supposed to activate this powerful cellular cleanup process. That is why millions follow fasting routines, hoping to slow aging naturally. But here is where everything starts to go dangerously wrong for most people, because what you do next can instantly shut this entire system down. Not slowly, not gradually, but within minutes of breaking your fast incorrectly. And this is exactly where most people unknowingly destroy their own progress. They think they are optimizing health, but they are triggering the opposite effect. So before you trust your current fasting routine, you need to see this. You think skipping breakfast and delaying meals is automatically making you healthier. You follow intermittent fasting trends that promise fat loss and anti-aging benefits. But what if your routine is quietly doing the exact opposite instead? What if the way you fast is accelerating aging beneath the surface daily? Most people copy popular fasting schedules without understanding how the body responds. They shorten eating windows, delay meals, and feel in control of health. Yet inside, critical systems are being disrupted in ways they never notice. Because fasting is not just about time, it is about biological timing. Your hormones, metabolism, and repair cycles follow a precise circadian rhythm daily. And when you ignore that rhythm, your body starts working against you. This is where fasting shifts from a powerful tool into a hidden stressor. You are not just missing benefits, you may be creating long-term damage. And here is the uncomfortable truth most experts rarely explain clearly. One specific mistake in this process can impact your aging far more. And chances are, it is already part of your daily routine right now. Now science is finally starting to confirm what is really happening here. A 2025 human study showed fasting can increase cellular cleanup inside your body. This process is called autophagic flux, a key marker of biological aging speed. For years, most evidence only existed in animals, leaving many questions unanswered. But now, we have real human data showing fasting can trigger deep repair. And that sounds like the ultimate anti-aging strategy everyone has been searching. But here's the part almost nobody explains when promoting intermittent fasting online. The benefits depend entirely on how you execute every part of the process. Not just how long you fast, but what and when you consume matters. Because small mistakes can completely shut down or even reverse these benefits. And this is where most people unknowingly turn fasting into an aging accelerator. Instead of slowing aging, they create stress patterns that damage cells over time. So if you want real results, you need to understand these critical mistakes. There are 5 of them, and each one can quietly sabotage your progress. And one of them is far more dangerous than it appears at first. You wait 16 hours, letting your body repair damage in silence. Then you break your fast with sugar, refined carbs, or processed foods. In seconds, insulin spikes sharply and autophagy shuts down almost instantly. Not gradually fading, but stopping completely the moment that signal hits hard. Your body switches from repair mode straight into storage and growth mode. This activates mTOR aggressively, pushing cells away from cleanup into accumulation. Imagine cleaning your entire home carefully, then dumping garbage everywhere again. That is exactly what happens when you break your fast the wrong way. You did not just pause the benefits, you reversed the entire process. And this creates metabolic stress instead of the anti-aging effect expected. Research shows your first meal determines how your body exits fasting state. A large insulin spike creates a violent shift between repair and storage. Over time, this repeated stress can accelerate cellular aging instead of slowing. But there is a simple way to protect everything your body just repaired. Start with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to create a gentle transition. Foods like eggs, salmon, avocado, or nuts support a stable insulin response. This allows your body to exit fasting without destroying the repair work. And most people ruin 16 hours of effort in just 15 minutes. You believe fasting longer automatically means better results and faster fat loss. But the timing of when you eat may matter even more. Your body runs on a circadian rhythm that controls metabolism and hormones. In the morning and early afternoon, your system processes food efficiently. As evening approaches, insulin sensitivity drops and metabolic activity slows significantly. Yet, most people break their fast late and eat their largest meals. This creates a direct conflict with your natural biological timing every day. Instead of working with your body, you are forcing it into resistance. Research shows late eating disrupts cortisol rhythms and melatonin balance patterns. This misalignment pushes your body into a state of metabolic confusion. Think of your body like an orchestra playing perfectly timed musical sections. Eating late forces one instrument to play completely out of sync. The result is not harmony, it is internal stress and inefficiency. Over time, this pattern is linked to faster biological aging markers. Even eating 1 or 2 hours before sleep can impair glucose control. So while you think you are optimizing fasting, you are creating hidden damage. A simple shift toward earlier eating windows can dramatically improve outcomes. And what you cannot see here may be affecting you the most. You think you are losing fat, but something more important is disappearing. Muscle is not just for strength, it is your body's metabolic foundation. It regulates glucose, supports movement, and protects long-term health outcomes. But fasting reduces how often your body triggers muscle protein synthesis daily. Fewer meals mean fewer chances to signal your body to build muscle, and over time, this creates a slow, almost invisible decline in strength, especially as your body becomes less responsive to protein with age. You may feel lighter, but your body is quietly becoming less resilient. This process is called sarcopenia, and it strongly predicts faster aging outcomes. Losing muscle is one of the fastest ways to accelerate biological aging, and most people following fasting protocols never consider this critical factor. Research shows protein timing matters just as much as total intake daily. Your body needs consistent signals, not long gaps without anabolic stimulation. Without that, it begins breaking down more than it rebuilds over time. But you can protect your muscle without giving up intermittent fasting benefits. You need enough protein, around 0.5 grams per pound daily intake, and you need resistance training to signal your body to preserve muscle mass. Because without that signal, your body starts letting go of strength quietly. You believe pushing fasting longer will unlock even greater anti-aging benefits. So you extend your fasting window, skipping meals, and pushing your limits daily. At first, your body responds by increasing autophagy and cellular cleanup activity, and that feels like proof you are doing something incredibly effective. But your body does not respond linearly the way you expect over time. After a certain point, those benefits begin to plateau and even reverse. Some studies show autophagy markers drop after prolonged, aggressive fasting patterns. At the same time, stress and inflammatory signals can begin to rise again. This creates a dangerous imbalance between repair and cellular damage processes. In extreme cases, excessive autophagy can trigger a form of cell death. Instead of cleaning damaged cells, your body starts breaking down healthy ones. Think of it like a fire that grows beyond control in a forest. It no longer clears debris, it destroys everything, including healthy structures. Even short periods of extreme fasting can reduce muscle volume noticeably. And while it may seem temporary, long-term effects are still unclear. The goal is not to maximize fasting, but to optimize it sustainably. Moderate, consistent fasting supports repair without pushing your system into stress. And the final mistake may be the one you never even considered before. You think drinking zero-calorie beverages will not break your fast at all. So you sip diet soda, flavored coffee, or pre-workout drinks daily. On the surface, it seems harmless because there are no calories involved. But your body does not respond only to calories. It reads signals instead. Autophagy is controlled by pathways like mTOR, AMPK, and insulin signaling. And some of these drinks can activate those pathways without real energy intake. For example, BCAAs directly stimulate mTOR, shutting down cellular cleanup processes. Even artificial sweeteners can trigger a small insulin response in anticipation. Your body tastes sweetness and prepares itself as if sugar is incoming. This interrupts the fasting state even if you technically consumed 0 calories. Think of it like constantly opening a door during a repair process. Each interruption forces the system to pause and reassess what is happening. Over time, these small disruptions prevent deep cellular repair from continuing. You believe you are maintaining your fast, but you are breaking it repeatedly. The safest options are simple: water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. These support the fasting state without confusing your internal signaling pathways. Anything sweet or amino acid-based carries a hidden risk you cannot see. And now you can start to see the bigger pattern forming clearly. Now you can start to see the pattern most people completely miss. Fasting is not just about skipping food for a set number of hours. Your body is not a timer. It is a highly responsive chemical system. Every signal you send changes how your body shifts between repair modes. What you eat, when you eat, and how you fast all matter deeply. Each mistake you saw is not separate. They are all connected together. They come from treating fasting like a simple rule instead of biology. But your body responds to timing, nutrients, and stress signals constantly. When these signals are aligned, fasting can support real anti-aging benefits. But when they are misaligned, the same routine creates hidden, long-term damage. This is why some people see results, while others feel worse over time. They are not doing different diets, they are executing the same idea differently. The difference is not discipline, it is understanding how the system works. Once you see this clearly, everything about fasting starts to change, and what you believed before may no longer feel entirely true anymore. And this is where everything you thought about fasting starts to shift. Fasting itself is not the problem. The execution is what changes outcomes. Science clearly shows it can support longevity, fat loss, and cellular repair. But those benefits are fragile and easy to destroy with small daily mistakes. The people who see real results are not fasting longer than everyone else. They are aligning timing, nutrition, and signals in a smarter way consistently. They understand how their body responds instead of blindly following trends online. And that single difference separates progress from hidden long-term damage completely. If you have watched this far, you are already ahead of most people, because now you can see what others continue repeating without awareness daily. So the next step is simple. Start applying what you just learned today. Adjust your fasting window, protect your muscle, and control your signals carefully, because what you do next will shape how your body ages over time.